Hi students, it's me, Ms. Miles. Thanks for stopping by the Miles Ahead classroom. Today, we're going to listen to the sounds of summer. That's right. We're going to hear fun sounds you might hear during summertime, like the beach, sprinklers, and maybe even an ice cream truck. So get your listening ears ready and let's enjoy all the sunny, summery sounds together. Let's go. What did you hear? You heard an ice cream truck. What did you hear? You heard a frog. What did you hear? You heard the ocean. What did you hear? You heard a lawnmower. What did you hear? You heard a roller coaster. What did you hear? You heard roasting marshmallows at a fire. What did you hear? You heard bees buzzing. What did you hear? You heard fireworks. What did you hear? You heard a seagull. What did you hear? You heard a person going off a diving board. What did you hear? You heard a barbecue or grilling. What did you hear? You heard wind chimes. What did you hear? You heard people in a swimming pool. What did you hear? You heard a sprinkler. What did you hear? You heard a speedboat in water. Great job, students! Thanks for listening to all those summer sounds with me today. I hope you had fun imagining all the things we do, see, and hear during the summertime. Don't forget, using our ears and imagination helps us learn in awesome ways. And remember, because you came by the Miles Ahead classroom today, you're already miles ahead. See you soon, students. Bye.